Hello everybody, Terry O'Malley from DenverSexCrimesAttorney.com. I'm glad to have this opportunity to spend a few minutes with you. On today's segment, I wanted to visit with you about failure to register as a sex offender. Did you know that if you're convicted of a misdemeanor sex offense or a felony sex offense, you're required to register in the law enforcement district where you live until a court allows you to discontinue registration? What that means is, even if you're eligible to stop registering, let's say that you had a misdemeanor and you were required to register for 5 years, for example, and then the 5 years is up. Did you realize you can't just stop registering at that point? You have to apply to a court to give an order allowing you to discontinue registration. If you don't apply for that order, even if it's been 10 years ago or 20 years ago, you have to continue to register, whether it's quarterly or whether it's annually on your birthday. You've got to continue to register for the rest of your life until you get that order from the court. That's why it's important for people to come in and see us, where we can apply to the court for you and ask the court to give you permission to discontinue registration. Now, why this is a big deal is that if you stop registering, you can be charged with a misdemeanor sex offense or an adult sex offense of failure to register. You can be required to go back and start treatment over again. You can be required to go to prison simply because you stopped registering, even though you were eligible to stop. So that's one of the really important things I want to remind you of, is don't stop registering just because you're eligible to stop. Come by our office for an initial consultation. We can sit here in our office and talk about how it is that you're allowed to get an order from a court to discontinue registering. And when you do that, what we'll do is we'll talk to the judge, we'll talk to the district attorney, and we can get an order for you to stop registering. It's an easy thing to do if you can get in here without violating any of the rules related to registration. I'm Terry O'Malley. Thanks for visiting. I hope you'll come by our office for that initial consultation, and we'll talk soon.